Hey, Professor Bose. Don't mind the crazy hair. It's been a long day. Today we're here to talk about question one, and let me just pull up my screen here. Covered into three parts. The first part being the finding the p hat, the second part finding the margin of error, and the third part finding the interval for the population proportion. Now, for the first part, we can just plug into the formula p hat equals x divided by n, which gives us 0.208. And this being because 592 represents the total amount of shoppers, and 123 representing the amount of shoppers who just me and you are solely based because of coupons. And once we plug that in, and once we get 0.208, we plug that in. 1 minus 0.208, that gives us 0.782. We do the same, and then that gives us 0.0167. And then we do one last equation, and that evidently gives us 1.96. Now we move on to the standard of error. Basically, we just follow this equation. We get p hat. We times that by 0.0167, which we got from here, and that eventually gives us 0.033. And for the last part, finding the 95% confidence interval population proportion, we just use this formula p hat is sigma. We plug those two bad boys in, and that eventually gives us the proportion, which is 0.175 and 0.241. And that is essentially all of it just a matter of plugging in the right numbers into the right equation.